Welcome back to The Explainer. So I want you to think about your car for a second. If you ever go to sell it, you've probably got a Carfax report, right? It details literally every oil change, minor accident, and service record. And we treat our own bodies exactly the same way with these really extensive medical records. Yet for our homes, which are often without a doubt our absolute greatest financial asset, we kind of just rely on a chaotic, messy stack of faded receipts. Well, today we're completely changing that. We're going to start treating your home's documentation with that exact same level of respect. Okay, quick pop quiz and be totally honest. If I asked you right this second, where is the warranty for your HVAC unit? Do you know? Is it stuffed in a kitchen drawer somewhere? Is it buried way down in an old email thread from your builder? Or what about the specific brand of exterior paint they used 3 years ago? Or the permit for that deck addition? Listen, if just thinking about tracking those things down induces a mild sense of panic, you are absolutely not alone. Disorganized home files are just a massive headache waiting to happen. Okay, let's dive into this and look at the difference. The old way is basically the infamous shoebox method. It's scattered papers, chaotic hard drives, random email chains. Frankly, it's a massive liability. But the new way? That's a living, unified, cloud-based record. It is a massive relief, it's brilliant in its simplicity, and it will completely transform how you manage, maintain, and eventually sell your property. Here's our clear blueprint for the explainer today. We'll start with the Shoebox of Chaos, move to the digital home manual, cover the 3 golden principles, then structuring the cloud, touch on naming and best practices, and finally, the ultimate transferable asset. So diving right into Section 1, the Shoebox of Chaos and the true cost of disorganization. You see, hunting for lost permits or totally forgotten paint colors isn't just an annoyance. It's actually a massive financial liability for homeowners. The real antidote to that chaos is perfectly captured in this core philosophy. Enter it once, use it for life. We are shifting your mindset here. This isn't a dreaded weekend chore of sorting through receipts anymore. This is a lifelong investment. You capture the information one time, put it exactly where it belongs, and you never have to hunt for it again. Moving on to Section 2, the Digital Home Manual, your single source of truth. This right here is the ultimate solution, whether you're managing a brand new build, a massive renovation, or just your current home. A digital home manual is a cloud-based documentation system serving as a permanent single source of truth for the homeowner, builder, and future buyers. The key phrase here is living record. Every single contract, warranty, as-built drawing, equipment manual, and contact lives safely right here. Up next, Section 3, the 3 golden principles, the foundation of order. Now, before we actually get into the folders themselves, we need to understand the rules that make this whole system bulletproof. Now, what's really interesting here is how this proves that simple systems scale while chaotic ones fail. Principle 1 is the one-time entry system. You capture info once. Principle 2 is a single source of truth, meaning you and your technicians are looking at the exact same accurate data. And Principle 3, this is absolutely crucial. Organization before technology. Smart tech only works if you create a clear structure first. Section 4, Structuring the Cloud, the 00 to 99 blueprint. All right, let's look at the actual anatomy of the manual. And don't worry, we won't just read a boring list. Instead, notice how this numbered hierarchy perfectly mirrors the physical phases of a project. On the left, folder 00 to 02 handle your admin and legal. The middle block, 03 through 11, covers the physical build and systems. And finally, folder 99 on the right is fully dedicated to handover and warranties. It's incredibly intuitive. Let's move to and see how this builds, starting with that first bucket. Folder 00 to 02 secure your legal and administrative baseline. Folder 00 is your master contact list, owner, builder, architect, key trades. Folder 01 holds your signed contracts, insurance certs, and HOA approvals. And 02? That tracks every permit application and inspection record. This is literally the bedrock of your home's legal standing. Jumping into the physical build side, we have to talk about folder 04 MEP, which stands for Mechanical, Electrical, and Plumbing. Imagine for a second a pipe springs a leak behind your wall. Instead of tearing up drywall totally blind and just hoping for the best, folder 04 instantly provides your plumbing diagrams, equipment cut sheets, and load calculations. It basically turns a major disaster into a very precise, targeted repair. And then there's folder 09, Photos in Progress. This is like giving yourself literal X-ray vision for your house. The whole idea is keeping chronological photos of framing and structural details before they're covered up by drywall. Having visual records of those critical conditions before they disappear from view, that is basically a superpower for future maintenance and troubleshooting. Moving right along to Section 5, naming and best practices. Maintaining the system. We're pivoting to execution now because a folder structure is honestly only as good as the discipline used to maintain it. Check out this naming convention: year, month, day, followed by a description and version. I know, it might seem a little nerdy at first, but it keeps everything flawlessly chronological. So the crucial point is that consistent naming, plus a master tracker for your serial numbers, guarantees you will never, ever lose a warranty date again.
Finally, Section 6, the ultimate transferable asset, the long-term payoff.
All of this hard work completely pays off in Folder 99, the closing package. This is where it directly connects to your wallet. If you ever sell your home, Folder 99 strips out all your personal data, your private finances, any temporary notes, and it leaves behind a clean, professional package for a realtor or future buyer. The benefits here are just crystal clear. A meticulously documented home doesn't just look organized on a hard drive. It tangibly protects your physical investment. It vastly simplifies future maintenance for service technicians. And ultimately, as we've proven today, it makes the home far more valuable for decades to come. So I want to leave you with this provocative question to really think about. Is your home's history a permanent transferable asset, or is it just a complete mystery hidden in a dusty shoebox? Start building your folder structure today, enter the data once, and gain that peace of mind for life. Thanks so much for joining me on this explainer, and we will see you next time.